What type of energy is electrical energy converted into when resistance is overcome? When an electric current flows through a conductor with resistance, the collisions between electrons and atoms convert electrical energy into thermal energy, known as Joule heating. This principle is utilized in appliances like electric heaters, irons, and toasters. Nuclear energy involves changes in the nucleus of an atom and is not produced by simple electrical resistance. Mechanical energy is produced by electric motors through magnetic fields, not primarily through resistance. Chemical energy is involved in batteries and electrolysis, where electricity causes chemical changes rather than just overcoming resistance. How many paths are available for electric charge to flow in a parallel circuit? In a parallel circuit, the electric current divides into multiple branches, providing more than one path for the charge to flow. This ensures that if one component fails, the others in different branches continue to function independently. What is the power consumed when an electric device is operated at a potential difference of 1 volt and carries a current of 1 ampere? Power is defined as the product of potential difference, voltage, and current, amperage, expressed by the formula P is equal to V times I. Therefore, 1 volt multiplied by 1 ampere equals 1 watt, the C unit of power. What is the term for a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy? An electrochemical cell is a device that generates electrical energy from chemical reactions or uses electrical energy to cause chemical reactions. It consists of 2 electrodes and an electrolyte, facilitating the flow of electrons through an external circuit. How do like electrical charges interact with each other? According to the fundamental law of electrostatics, charges of the same sign, positive positive or negative negative, exert a repulsive force on one another. This principle is a cornerstone of Coulomb's law, which quantifies the force between stationary electrically charged particles. What does a key or switch do in an electric circuit? A switch or key acts as a control element in a circuit by making or breaking the electrical contact. When the switch is on, the circuit is closed, allowing electrons to flow, and when off, the circuit is open, halting the flow. Increases voltage is wrong because voltage is typically provided by a power source like a battery, not by a simple switch. Generates electricity is wrong because electricity is generated by power sources through energy conversion, whereas a switch only regulates existing flow. Reduces resistance is wrong because resistance is a property of the conductors and loads, while a switch's primary role is binary control of the path. Which scientist is associated with the invention of electric lighting for homes? Thomas Alva Edison is credited with developing the first commercially practical incandescent light bulb and the system for distributing electricity to homes. His work in the late 19th century revolutionized modern living by making electric lighting accessible. What is defined as the continuous or unbroken closed path along which electric current flows? An electric circuit is a complete, closed loop that allows electrons to flow continuously from a power source through various components. If the path is broken at any point, the flow of current stops immediately. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.